Today we're going to talk about transferring a policy to another insured. Let's say you were in this customer and that you realized that you wrote the policy under the wrong customer's file. What you would do to resolve that issue is you would go up to Endorsements and go all the way to the right to Transfer Policy. Then you would take out the name of the current customer that's here, type in the one that it should have been under. You're going to click on that one and highlight it and then Transfer Policy. Once it says Merge Complete, your policy has been transferred out of the customer that you thought it was in and into the customer that it should have been. That's how you transfer a policy within Genesis. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks.